Hi guys, and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to change your country location on Omegle. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device. And then, input Omegle. In here, you will see a website that says www.omegle.com. All you have to do is tap on that website. Now just tap it to lead to that website. Once you are here, all you need to do is scroll down. Now refresh the website. In here, we need to switch to desktop mode. Once you have already switched to desktop mode, zoom in and go to the upper right. In here, click on the drop down and then switch the language as to whatever you are comfortable with or what you can understand. And that's it. Your Omegle is now in a different language. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.